Hello, today we will guide you through how to remove Facebook page from Meta Business Suite. To begin, open Facebook in your web browser and make sure you are signed into the account that has access to the page and the related Business Suite settings. Starting from Facebook is important because it helps you enter the correct page environment before moving into business settings. Once you are on Facebook, look to the left-hand navigation menu and select the page you want to work with. In this example, the page name shown is a sample page, but you should click the specific page you want to remove from Meta Business Suite. Be sure you choose the correct one, especially if you manage multiple pages, since the next steps will affect the page connected to the business portfolio you open. After the page loads, click on Meta Business Suite. This will take you from the standard Facebook page view into the management area where business assets, permissions, and connected pages are handled. Depending on your screen size, the button may appear in a slightly different position, but it should still be clearly labeled. When Meta Business Suite opens, go to the top left area of the screen and click the Portfolio drop-down menu. This menu lets you switch between different business portfolios or business accounts, which is helpful if more than one is connected to your login. From that drop-down list, select the appropriate portfolio. In the example shown, it is labeled as a sample portfolio. Make sure you choose the portfolio that currently contains the page you want to remove. This is an important checkpoint because removing a page from the wrong portfolio could create confusion later. Next, click on Settings. This will open the main business settings area where you can manage assets such as users, accounts, and pages. If the interface takes a moment to load, give it a few seconds before moving on. Inside Settings, click on Pages. This section displays the Facebook pages connected to the selected business portfolio. Take a moment here to confirm you are viewing the correct page before making any changes. Finally, find the page you want to remove and click Remove. After that, click the confirmation option to complete the action. Confirming the removal is the final step, so read the prompt carefully before proceeding. Once confirmed, the page will be removed from that Meta Business Suite portfolio. And that's it. You have successfully removed a Facebook page from Meta Business Suite.